Baby capybaras are the world's largest rodents, and they're surprisingly gentle and affectionate creatures. These adorable creatures love to swim and play in the water. 12. Baby otter. Baby otters are playful and curious creatures, and they love to explore their surroundings. These fluffy bundles of joy are sure to melt your heart. 13. Baby pangolin. Baby pangolins are known for their tough scales, but they're also surprisingly delicate creatures. These adorable animals are covered in soft, pink skin, and they love to curl up in their mother's arms. 14. Baby flamingo. Baby flamingos are born with gray feathers, but they quickly develop their signature pink plumage. These graceful creatures are often seen standing on one leg in shallow waters. 15. Baby penguin. Baby penguins are some of the most adorable creatures in the animal kingdom. These fluffy chicks are born with downy feathers, and they're often seen waddling around with their parents. 16. Baby dolphin. Baby dolphins are born with black and white markings, and they quickly grow into playful and intelligent creatures. These adorable swimmers love to leap out of the water and play with their podmates. 17. Baby hedgehog. Baby hedgehogs are quite prickly when they're born, but they're also surprisingly soft and cuddly. These adorable creatures are known for their sharp spines, which they use to defend themselves from predators. 18. Baby lemur. Baby lemurs are some of the most energetic and playful creatures in the animal kingdom. These adorable monkeys love to swing from branches and climb trees. 19. Baby opossum. Baby opossums are born blind and helpless, but they quickly grow into feisty little creatures. These adorable marsupials are known for their pouchy faces and long, prehensile tails. 20. Baby sloth. Baby sloths are the slowest newborns in the animal kingdom. These gentle creatures spend most of their time hanging from trees, conserving energy. Baby Fennec Fox. Fennec Fox Pups are the smallest of all fox species. They are born with large ears that help them to dissipate heat in the hot desert environment they live in. 32. Baby Cheetah. Baby cheetah cubs are born with black spots that help them to camouflage themselves in the grasslands they live in. They are also the fastest land animals on Earth. 33. Baby tiger. Baby tigers are born with stripes that are unique to each individual. They are the largest of the big cats and are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and even deserts. 34. Baby leopard. Baby leopards are born with spotted coats that help them to camouflage themselves in the trees they live in. They are known for their agility and ability to climb trees. 35. Baby lion. Baby lions are born with tawny fur that darkens as they mature. They are the kings of the jungle and are known for their powerful roars and social lives. 36. Baby bear. Baby bears are born blind and helpless, but they quickly learn to walk and climb. They are omnivorous animals and eat a variety of foods, including berries, insects, and small mammals. 37. Baby fox. Baby foxes are born with gray or brown fur, and they have bushy tails that help them to balance. They are known for their playful antics and ability to climb trees. 38. Baby rabbit. Baby rabbits are born blind and deaf, but they quickly develop their senses. They are born in litters of 4-8 young, and are covered in soft fur. 39. Baby hamster. Baby hamsters are born with soft fur and closed eyes. They are born in litters of 6-8 young, and are known for their ability to store food in their cheek pouches. 40. Baby guinea pig. Baby guinea pigs are born with soft, white fur and pink eyes. They are born in litters of 2-6 young, and are known for their high-pitched vocalizations.